how's it going? Alice is here. Welcome to Fishing Weber's Kitchen. Today I will be sharing with you a recipe of how I make fried trout. We went fishing the other day and we got 5 trouts. They're not a big size trout, but they will be perfect for pan fried. Before we get started, let's check out that video. Would you look at that? There it is. Just bring it. There it is. On the worm. Okay, there it is. Got another one. Yeah. So today's recipe will be very basic. All you need is just trout, some salt, pepper, some seasoning and flour and oil to cook it on. So let me show you the ingredients and we'll get started. Alright, so here's what we need. Trout, of course, the one we just caught. Need some butter. And here I have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt, some olive oil, tarragon. I use tarragon pretty much in everything whenever I cook something. I love tarragon, I love the taste of it, so I highly recommend it to try it on the fish. It will make your fish taste delicious. Also, we would need about 2 liters of water, and I will explain in a little bit. We'll need flour. I'm just using all-purpose flour. This flour is actually made here in Oregon. It's Red Mill, Bob's Red Mill company. If you haven't tried it yet, he has a lot of good stuff. And the last ingredient is lemon. So first, I'm gonna start by cutting the fish. I'm just gonna slice fish just a tiny bit. So we're gonna do one side, then we're gonna do another. Look who decided to join. You guys want a fish? Does it smell delicious? I'm so bad, I'm teasing them. It's a fish. Alright, so now comes the strange part. Right here I have 2 liters of water. It might be strange to you, but you know, it's alright with me. But anyway, in this dish I have 2 liters of water, and this is where we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So you want to have 1 tablespoon per liter of water. Here I have 2 liters of water, and that's what I'm using 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're just going to stir it all nicely. So what is it going to do? It's going to make fish taste so much better. It's not going to taste sweet. It's just going to add a unique kind of a flavor to it. And we will be soaking fish in this water for 20 minutes. Just gonna dropping our fish in here. So I will let it sit for 20 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. I just used a paper towel to get the moisture out of the fish. And now I'm going to be adding some pepper. I am not using salt because it was soaking in that salt water. So I'm just gonna put pepper in between these cuts. Now I just need some flour. Cover this fish in the flour. Flour is a must when you fry it because it's going to make the skin nice and crusty. So adding some olive oil. Let's drop these fishes in a pan. Not sure if all 5 will fit in here. They might. I'll make it squeeze. I think it works. Yeah. There you go. So we're gonna cook it on this side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it over. It's been about 3 minutes, so I am going to flip them over. And I'm going to sprinkle some tarragon seasoning. To finish this off, I'm just adding about a tablespoon of butter. Guys, this is gonna be so delicious. Alright, you guys, our fish is ready and it looks so delicious. Some of the fish did fall apart, unfortunately, because trout is just so fragile, but I managed to get a couple of perfect pieces. Can you see that? So I topped it off with lemon. I put it in a frying pan and caramelized it. I'm gonna sprinkle some lemon on a fish, and let's give it a try. And just a little hint, sometimes when you cook, your dishes don't turn out always perfect, right? You want it to look pretty. I guess girls do. I don't know about guys. Guys probably don't care. But for Instagram, you know, select the best things that turn out in your cooking. Like, I got 2 perfect fish that look decent, and that will go on my Instagram. So I'm kind of proud of these 2 pieces. Anyway, let's dig in. Let's give it a try. I'm kind of excited. The moment of truth. It's nice. The meat comes right off the bones. So nice and flaky. Very good. Too bad Jake doesn't eat fish. I get it to enjoy all by myself. Well, I'm really proud of my dish tonight. It turned out great. we're gonna go watch a movie or something, eat, and that's pretty much it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our first cooking video, and I am planning on making more cooking videos with fish or whatever we catch out there. So if you like our content, subscribe, give us likes, leave us comments, and we'll see you later. Bye. Bye.